Ferry 1, and this is Ardrossan to Brodick. It's a beautiful sunny morning and Arran's behind us, so catch you later. So, this is ferry number 2, and this is from Lochranza to
Claonaig, or something like that, on Kintyre.
On Kintyre.
So apparently this is half an hour or so, so we're going to have a wee rest, and then we cycle up over Kintyre, and we're heading for ferry number 3 on Tarbert, at Tarbert, to Portavadie. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye. This is Colin pushing up one of the many hills, 14% hill. He will have to push up on Hebridean. This is too hard. Oh, here's my hero, you know. Oh.
Well, this is ferry number 3, yes, and this is from, where have we just left from? We left from Tarbert, and we're going to Portavadie, which is that way. And believe it or not, this ferry is called the Cumbrae, which is most definitely not at the moment. And in fact, we thought we were most definitely not at the moment going to get this ferry.
This is the most beautiful bay near Tinebrew, round the coast from Kames, and it's called Ostel Bay.
So I'm going to move out of the way and you can see the scene because it's lovely. Bye bye. Hi.
It's just beautiful.
This is having lunch. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and we're knackered. But we're going to the hotel soon, so we'll see you there.
Out again. It's the first time we've seen it since we left yesterday, and this takes us across to Weems Bay
from Rothsay. This is the last one, and it's a small matter of 19 miles to cycle back from Weems Bay to the car at Ardrossan, because the car is at Ardrossan.
And he says it's downhill all the way. I think he's lying. I'm sure he's lying.
And Matilda is down there right beside the ramp
at the very back of the boat. Got pride of place, so
if we make it to Ardrossan, we'll do a little final piece there.
Hi, that's us back at the Ardrossan ferry.
Where we started.
101 miles.
Including ferries. 78 on Matilda. 78?
Oh my God, we are absolutely
Daffy ducked. We are daffy ducked. It's just gone 6:30 on Monday evening, and we're back where we started.
And the sun's still out.
Yes, and it really was quite good fun, apart from the hills. The hills were, well, they were hills really.
They were big hills.
They were big hills.
They were big hills.
Good fun though. 5 ferry challenge, and it's completed.
Thank God.